Let's discuss about the diagnosis of anemia in pregnancy. The diagnosis of anemia in pregnancy. See, when a woman who is pregnant, if she comes with anemia, first thing what you do is we'll check for peripheral smear. We'll make peripheral smear and see the cells, and also we'll see for RBC indices. So when a woman who is pregnant, if she comes with anemia, what we do first is we'll make peripheral smear and look for RBC indices. Then in the smear, if we see any fragmented cells, or spirocytes or sickle cells, then we'll work out for hemolytic anemias. So when there are fragmented cells or spirocytes or sickle cell, then we'll look for hemolytic anemia. If we see any macrocytes, in the smear, then the anemia is due to megaloblastic anemia, or it may be non-megaloblastic. Megaloblastic anemia, if there is megaloblastic anemia, then we'll check for serum B12 levels and RBC folate. In non-megaloblastic, we look for hypothyroidism, liver diseases, and myelodysplasia diseases. If you see normocytes, then the cause of anemia may be renal or hepatic diseases, or there may be impaired marrow response. Okay. If there is pancytopenia, then we'll check for serum ferritin levels, as well as iron levels in the serum. If they are low, if these levels are low, then the cause of anemia will be iron deficiency. If they are normal, then the cause of anemia, either it could be iron deficiency, or the anemia may be thalassemia. Okay, these are various causes, and this is something about diagnosis. See, first thing is, if a pregnant woman comes with anemia, first thing what we do here is we'll make peripheral smear and look for RBC indices. If you see any fragmented cells or spirocytes or sickle cells, then look for hemolytic anemias. If you see any macrocytes, then the cause of anemia may be megaloblastic anemia, or it could be non-megaloblastic as well. If it is megaloblastic anemia, the cause could be B12 deficiency or folate deficiency. In non-megaloblastic, the reason could be due to hypothyroidism or liver diseases or myelodysplasia. In normocytes, the cause could be either renal diseases or hepatic diseases or impaired marrow response.